Everyone, this is CMA Pradeep Dhyani, your mentor. So, guys, recently Pappan sir has taken a session. So, I will try to give all the answer of your questions. So, guys, one by one, I will give all the answers related with when will foundation exam result will declare, inter final exam will declare, about the SAP training of old student who has taken the admission earlier, August 2020. So, guys, I will try to give all the answer of this question. So, guys, before starting, I want to give a good news. Most of the student already know about that institute is opening a center in overseas. So London is the location where institute is opening his new account. This is the good news, and good news for all CMA fraternity, and we should respect our fraternity that they are going a good work. So guys, let's start to the main point. So guys, CMA foundation result will declare between 26 Jan to 31st Jan. Between these 2 days, the result will declare at any time. So guys, best of luck for CMA foundation student. So guys, what will about CMA inter and final? So guys, you already know that some of the center in south exam is currently going on. They will end 28th Jan. So guys, after that, some of the students who face technical glitches also give a re-exam. So guys, I want to give more information on this, that those students who face technical glitches, institute will pull SGR report, and those students who face technical glitches, those institute will get the information. So guys, still if you someone is have any doubt, so guys, I will suggest that if you have any like screenshot of the technical error, you can immediately mail to the institute before starting the exam. Before 3rd January 2021, I will also suggest that if any student face technical glitches, he should immediately after the exam time mail to the institute regarding his technical error. So guys, institute will surely help you. Okay guys, and the result will declare, I am assuring that the exam result will declare inter or final 21st Feb 2021. So guys, the exam as earlier. Okay guys, now come to the point for SAP training. So guys, as you know that SAP training is compulsory for those students who has taken the admission on 11 October 11 August 2020 or after that. So guys, a lot of students who has taken the interview earlier this date, so who also want to interest in this training. Yes guys, this training is very beneficial. I am requesting to all you that you must undergo with this training. It will benefit a lot. We have missed this opportunity guys, so you please not miss this opportunity. Okay guys, so what about, I will also assure that the institute will not discriminate with his old students. So guys, yes, they will also give the chance for those students. This will not compulsory for old student. Yes, it is optional for old students who want to pursue this training for his gaining his knowledge. Yes guys, institute is maybe institute will charge a nominal amount, or I am assuring that the institute will not charge such kind of nominal, or yes, final student also want that they will also get the training guys. So guys, for old student, this is will be optional as per my opinion. I am assuring that it will 100% it will happen. So guys, and re-exam, I have told that, and SAP training I have told that, and CAT, yes, a lot of CAT student also face the technical glitches. Yes, institute will also conduct a reschedule or re-exam. Okay guys, so that's all about in this video. So I'm concluding this video. Foundation result will be declared between 26 Jan to 31st Jan 2021. Inter or final reschedule exam. After reschedule exam, re-exam will take place for those students who face guide technical glitches. If still have any doubt, you can mail to the institute with attaching your either audio or like your technical glitches screenshot. Okay guys, and result will declare around 21st Feb 2021. And yes, for old student, SAP training option will be also be provided. It is a free of cost. I am assuring that institute will do the same, and but for old student it will be optional. Okay, if you are interested, then okay. If you are not interested, no need to worry about. Okay guys, and lot of student didn't receive the mail. Do not worry. Another schedule will another schedule of training will provided by the institute. And if any student is currently going with training or any issue, if he want to if defer this training schedule, yes guys, institute will also allow provide you another schedule. Do not worry. If those students who are interested can go with this under this schedules. Okay guys, and yes, slowly institute will provide the mails to the all those students, and those students who didn't receive the mail, directly skill training at the ICMI you can mail, provide your detail like my name is this, intermediate student registration number this. Okay guys, then institute will consider you guys. No need to worry, institute will take care all CMA fraternity. Okay guys, thank you so much. Still if you have any doubt or any questions, you can ask me. Surely I will try to help you. And with this, I am ending this video. Hope you will get this lot of information from this video. So guys, I'm ending this video. Thank you so much, guys. Bye, guys.